and for today's video I literally just decided to clean my room because I've been wanting to film a room tour for so long, but my room's just never been at a good point, which is what everybody says. They put off filming their room tour because the room just isn't at the place where they want it to be. And of course I did the same thing. Yes, so I'm filming this video so that I can finally just have a reason to get my room clean. So today I'm just cleaning my room so that next week I can do a room tour. So that video will be coming. I will link it in the corner as soon as it's posted, which will be after this video. So if you're watching it as soon as I post this video, then there will be nothing linked in the corner yet. So if you're interested in cleaning videos and organizing videos, this is just a fun little time lapse with little bits of me explaining everything. So keep watching for a cleaning my room video. So the first thing that I do is that I make my bed. So I normally don't make my bed every day because I'm literally gone every day. I go to school or church or work or wherever I am, or dance, I'm always gone. So in the mornings I don't make my bed because as soon as I come home I normally need to use my bed again. So it's not like I'm seeing a maid throughout the day or maid. So it doesn't matter if my bed's pretty or not, but in this video I am making my bed, but first I am washing everything because that's a good thing to do every 2 weeks, I think. So I'm taking everything off of my bed, washing it, and then putting it back on. Okay, so next I have just this bedside table that's my nightstand basically. It's just a mirrored table. It's kind of been a mess for a while because I don't know what to do with it. There's just I put everything that I need in the morning or at night. I put there, and I've never really organized it. It used to be organized. I used to have a water dispenser and then books and stuff, but now I just put what I need on there. And I don't have a lamp to balance everything out, so I tried my best. And what I did with it and what I put on it keeps it organized because I only have things that I need and use consistently. Okay, so next I got a 3-tiered rack from Michael's a while ago, and I've not really known what to do with it for so long. So I've been looking up Pinterest things and ideas. I finally have it slightly more organized than it has ever been before, and I'm still not entirely happy with how it looks, but it's at a good place right now. So I'm just going to keep it as it is. So it took me a while to figure out where to put everything, how to make everything look slightly okay. And I tried. It's not perfect, but I tried. Next, moving on to my closet. This one was the easiest to clean because I keep my closet mostly organized. Basically, there was just clothes on the floor because I was doing my laundry, and so I had to use my basket to bring my laundry to the washing machine. So I was just picking up clothes from the floor from that and then washing them. I washed all my clothes, so that's really good. And then I just kind of like organized the top of it a little bit. It wasn't too bad. Okay, next my closet has this really like weird little like indention in the back of it where it has shelves, because it used to be just like a supporting column, but then we decided to just like open it up a little bit when the house was being made. So I just have these shelves back there where I keep random things that I don't use often but I want to keep. So I just went back there and organized it a little bit. And then next I moved on to my nail polish rack. This is one of my favorite parts of my room because it's like super fun, and I've like known that I wanted it in my room to easily organize my nail polish rather than keeping it in a little bucket like I used to. So I just went through my nail polishes and like collected a few that I knew I needed to get rid of, that like looked bad or that I've had for too long. And that's basically all I did there. Okay, next moving on to my vanity. This is where I pile everything for like videos that I want to do for hauls, just everything I just pile onto there so that I can remember it because it's like the center of my room. So I just had to move everything off of that and then like organize it a little bit because it always turns into a little bit of a mess because I just put everything there. Then I moved, so I had my makeup bag in my closet, and so I moved it out and removed all the makeup because I don't need all my makeup in the makeup bag anymore, and I want it to be where everything else is in my vanity. Next, moving on to my bathroom. My bathroom wasn't too bad. I always keep it mostly organized. So I just like cleaned it a little bit, like washed the window and like cleaned the counters. And there were a few things that I moved from like the rest of my room onto the counter of my bathroom so that I can move it into the bathroom because that's where it belonged. So I just like moved things to where it went. Oh, and then also in my bathroom I switched out the towels because the towels that I normally use are the light pink ones, and so I wanted to wash the other ones and put in the light pink ones because the aesthetic of my bathroom is light pink, gold, and white, so I wanted to keep those in there. Next, I have this random like rack in my bathroom that I keep like samples or like other like little things that I want to have out, because if it's under my cabinet in my bathroom then I'm literally never going to use it. So I just like having that in the side of my bathroom so that I can easily see what I have and then use it. Anyways, that was all for the cleaning my room video. I hope you enjoyed all the time lapses. Comment if you like cleaning my room videos or like cleaning, decluttering, and organizing things, because my vanity is a mess and I should definitely like organize everything inside it. So I'll make a video out of that if y'all enjoyed this video. Also like if you enjoyed so that I can know, and go watch some of my videos coming in the future, because my next video will be my room tour, which is going to be so good because my room's like looking the best it's looked like ever since I've lived in this room, and honestly I think I have a pretty cute room. So go watch that and subscribe so that you can be able to know when that comes out. Anyways, I'll see you next week. Bye bye.
Made up image, bring it back with her.